Before you end your relationship, watch this. You may regret walking away. Before you walk away from your relationship, I want you to do something most people never do. Stop, take a breath, and ask yourself one uncomfortable question. Are you actually leaving a bad relationship, or are you simply exhausted from fighting for a relationship that has become difficult? Because there is a difference, and if you don't understand that difference, you could make one emotional decision today that you spend years regretting. A lot of men are being taught that the moment a relationship becomes difficult, you should leave. She disagrees with you? Leave. You argue? Leave. The excitement isn't what it used to be? Leave. But here's the problem. Difficulty is not automatically dysfunction. Every serious relationship eventually reaches a season where the excitement fades, patience gets tested, communication breaks down, and two people start wondering, what happened to us? That doesn't necessarily mean the relationship is dead. Sometimes it simply means the relationship has entered a stage where love has to become a choice instead of a feeling. And mature men need to understand this. Because anybody can stay when everything feels good. Anybody can be affectionate when there's no pressure, no bills, no disagreements, no disappointment, and no unresolved resentment. The real test comes when things aren't easy. Can the two of you still sit down and talk? Can you disagree without trying to destroy each other? Can you admit when you're wrong? Can she admit when she's wrong? Can both of you listen without immediately preparing your defense? Because a healthy relationship isn't made up of two perfect people. It's made up of two imperfect people who are willing to work on the same problem without turning each other into the enemy. And that brings me to something a lot of men get wrong. Your woman cannot read your mind. You might think she should know why you're upset. She might think you should already understand what she's feeling. And before long, both of you are angry about things that neither person has clearly communicated. You become distant. She becomes distant. You stop talking because you don't want another argument. She stops talking because she doesn't want another argument. And suddenly the relationship is full of silence. But silence doesn't solve problems. Silence gives resentment room to grow. You cannot expect your partner to magically discover your expectations. If something is bothering you, communicate it. Not through insults, not through threats, not through silent treatment, not through disappearing for 3 days to prove a point. Sit down like an adult and say, this is what I'm feeling. This is what happened. This is what I need us to address. That's strength. And there's another side to this that men need to hear. Communication doesn't mean tolerating disrespect. Don't misunderstand the message of this video. I'm not telling you to stay in a relationship where there is abuse, manipulation, repeated betrayal, contempt, or a complete refusal to change. There are problems you work through, and there are problems that tell you the relationship has become unhealthy. A mature man needs the wisdom to know the difference, because staying just to prove you're loyal can be just as foolish as leaving just because you're frustrated. The question isn't simply, is this relationship difficult? The better question is, are we both willing to make it better? That's the dividing line. If you're the only person trying, you're not building a relationship, you're carrying one. And eventually, even the strongest man gets tired of carrying something that two people were supposed to hold together. But if both people are still willing to listen, adjust, apologize, communicate, and rebuild, then don't throw away something valuable simply because you're currently going through a difficult season. Sometimes the relationship isn't broken. Sometimes the people inside it are just tired. Sometimes she's not your enemy, she's hurt. Sometimes you're not the villain, you're hurt too. And two wounded people can turn a solvable problem into a war if neither one is willing to lower their pride long enough to have an honest conversation. Now, if you're getting value from this, take a second and subscribe to the channel. Hit that thumbs up button and tell me your take in the comments. If you want deeper conversations like this, where we talk about relationships, masculine responsibility, boundaries, women, marriage, and the realities men don't always hear discussed openly, consider joining the channel membership. You'll be getting access to the deeper conversations and exclusive content we don't always put in the regular videos. Now, let's go deeper. If both people are willing to do the work, you don't go backward. You build something stronger than what you had before. So before you say, I'm done because you're angry, stop. Look at the entire relationship, not just the worst week of it. Ask yourself what is actually happening. Is there betrayal? Is there abuse? Is there contempt? Is there manipulation? Is there absolutely no willingness to change? If so, walking away may be the right decision. But if what you're facing is two people who are exhausted, misunderstood, emotionally disconnected, and struggling to communicate, then maybe the relationship doesn't need a funeral. Maybe it needs an honest conversation. Because walking away is easy when you're angry, when your ego is wounded, when you convince yourself that someone better is waiting around the corner. But maturity means being able to distinguish between a relationship that needs to end and a relationship that needs to be repaired. Don't stay where you are constantly disrespected, but don't destroy something valuable simply because it stopped being easy. Because one day you may look back and realize you weren't tired of the person, you were tired of the season, and those are two very different things. So, before you end it, think carefully, talk honestly, and make sure you're walking away from something truly broken, not something that could have been repaired if both of you had simply been willing to fight for it.